Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartband by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smartband by using the phone application, your smartband needs to be paired with your phone via the Huawei Health application. Where's the icon? Here it is, this one. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone and that is paired with our smartband. Actually, let me reopen it. So I'm gonna close everything and reopen the Huawei Health application like this. Okay, and once you open the Huawei Health application, you will see the health page in it, and now we can tap on the devices icon to open the devices page. And on it, you should see the Huawei Band 9 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it, and here we have the device page for our Huawei Band 9. Now, scroll down through the settings page and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Once you see it, tap on it, then tap on Restore, and wait. The band will disappear from the list of the devices, and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings, as you can see. And now it's done, because when you see the list of languages, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset the smartband by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.